point of view, it's 2029, right? And you held Zebec through the crash. Okay, you stayed disciplined, you steady accumulated, and you held it through the crash. As you can see, congratulations, guys. The price point right now is 15 cents. Okay, repeat, the price point right now is 15 cents, and you're most likely gonna take profit. If you had over 2 million of these bad boys, at the end of the day, a 15-cent price point is actually $300,000, over $250,000. With that, you can buy yourself a house, buy yourself and treat yourself, actually take a vacation, maybe move abroad. That the options really start to expand once you get past 100,000, especially past $250,000, because it might not be a lot in America, but there's many countries where you can go where it's tax free, where this is a substantial amount of money. Now, the reason I say we are gonna go to 15 cents is because I believe, like, when you take a look at Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is meant to go to 300,000 in 2028, 2029. So that would actually give it a market cap of 6 trillion, which is probably gonna happen. Okay, if we just capture 1% of that 6 trillion, we are at $60 billion in market cap. Okay, not 15 billion, but 60 billion. So just knowing all of these type of analysis, it's more possible we actually go past 10 cents, past 5 cents. Now, if it goes to 5 cents, I will be happy. I will be taking profits. As you can see, this trend line is holding very strong. This support line over here is holding very strong. It's like every line I put out, it just confirms to me that my analysis is very correct, because I said we can have a bounce over here, and I did say that this could be a range where we actually consolidate and go sideways. So if we see consolidation and sideways action, well, guess what? That means more good news for Zbcn, because that shows that it's probably in an accumulation phase and smart money starting to re-enter the market. Because Bitcoin did actually bounce from, if we just refresh this, I'm pretty sure it's at 60K right now. Bitcoin did bounce from 57K all the way back to 60,000. So just knowing that, it's like, I'm excited for these times, guys. Imagine in 2 years how much you're going to be worth. Like, guys, we cannot blow this opportunity. And when the time is right, you have to be very critical when it comes to taking profits, okay? Let me get a sip of this water real quick. Now, we do know that it did partner with Deutsche Bank. Guys, it's the first 2 years into this actual project, and they've already got partnerships with multiple banks and hundreds of enterprises and tens of thousands of employees, okay? Just knowing this type of news and evidence, it showed me that in 2 years' time, imagine how much more partnerships we're going to have and how much more eyes we're going to have. Right now, we are sitting at 108,000 holders, and we are actually, let's see if we increased a bit. It's kind of been still, but as where is it? Over here. So you can see that on this past 7 days, we've still increased. We've still been gaining holders. So it makes me very, very excited to see where we actually head now. A 15-cent Zbcn will put Zbcn at a market cap of 15 billion. So just knowing that, I do believe it's possible. As I said before in the last video, if we just take a look at Sui, right? Sui almost reached that. If I do believe Sui or Casper, was it? I think it was Sui that almost reached 15 billion. So it just shows me that it is possible, and that's my bull case scenario. As you can see, around 14 billion. Okay, now it did start off around the same levels as Zbcn, and it's beautiful because this lines up perfectly with the 4-year cycle. At the end of the day, when it comes to Sui, it was at the similar ranges we are seeing right now, 373 million market cap, and it went all the way. And once it actually hit 2 billion, it didn't stop there. That's the same thing that's going to happen to Zbcn. Zbcn is not going to show mercy to the late investors. And that's the sad reality you have to actually dwell. At the end of the day, when it comes to Zbcn, we can see that the last pump, if you go to the last pump was very unapologetic. It took just from here, April 25th, it took 31 days to get to his height, or 35 days to get to his peak from, and that was a move. It went from 30, in 35 days, it went and done a 677% move. The next move is going to be even more critical than this. At the end of the day, when it comes to a lot of coins, I'm seeing the coin like Synapse. It just recently did a 10x in like the past 90 days. That's the type of moves I'm expecting with Zbcn. So I'm very excited. Of course, this is the point of view. You are now 100,000 there. Congratulations. If you hold 1 to 5 million, so if you hold 5 million, 1 million, that's 150K. If you hold 2 million, that's 300,000. Okay, 4 million is 600,000, and 5 million. Let's take a look at how much that actually is. 5 million, $750,000 in return. So this is a video to motivate you, because I know that times are tough right now, and not only in crypto is it tough, in real life it's tough. It's very hard to save money. It's very hard to get by. But a little bit of like, this is the beauty of Zbcn. You don't even need that much. You don't even need to accumulate that much. All you need to do is accumulate, like, let's say you accumulate $8 a day. Okay. Well, guess what? After 365 days, you would have 1.2 million. So put it that way. If the average price stays the same or goes even lower, it possibly might go lower than this. But if you accumulate $8 a day for 365 days, that average price of 0.0023, you would have 1.2 million. And with that 1.2 million, you've turned it into 183,000 if you go to 15 cents. That's the beauty of crypto. These things are very possible. But when it comes to $1, I know a lot of people they're gonna wait for $1 while I sell early. That's just how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be selling early. And the reason I'm gonna be selling early is because I feel like once I get past 100,000 in Zebec profit, that is a very substantial amount, and that's an amount that most people will never see in their entire life. Now, I've seen 100,000 before. Do not get it twisted. At this point, I made $250,000. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. At this point, I made $250,000. I checked my bank account, and what's went in and out of it, I've had $250,000 go in the bank and out of it. So at the end of the day, it's all about long-term gratification. At the end of the day, a lot of people, they're in this microwave generation where they want their cake and eat it. They want to make money tomorrow. So when you tell them to invest into Zbcn, it's worthless, because they do not have the discipline to even save money in their real life. So what makes you think they're going to have the discipline to not take out cash when they see it going down? Of course they're going to take out cash. So I had to make this video. With that being said, it was Young Wealth, and number. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to catch you guys in more content real soon. Peace.